All right, guys, Aaron here, part-time pressure washer. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around video to show what I do prior to starting a job and things that I look for. All right, first things first is I hooked up the water over here and quickly noticed there's a Japanese maple that we want to be careful of. This side is the northern side of the home. Got a little friend in the window there barking at me, but you can see the algae build up. And then looks like there's some tire marks on the side here, but definitely some dirt and grime around these garage doors. I might have to use a hotter mix to get some of that down off the rubber garage doors. I might have to just go 6% or something, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to downstream with my 2.1 injector 4 gallon minute machine and see if that'll take it off, but usually those rubber seals require more. Some dirt and grime up there on the eaves. Also some up there. I might have to get on the roof here to get some of the area, and then even there on that peak it might be easier just to get on this roof up there, just to shoot and spray up there from a better angle. I don't like to get on roofs, but sometimes you have to. Definitely the soffits are dirty. Look how we'll tape up keyholes, probably remove some of the stuff off this porch, the plants at least. The chairs should be okay. And oh wow, yeah, dirt. Yeah, I gotta get some good before and after pics of this, because that's gonna clean up pretty good. And then this side's pretty clean. We'll hit it, but that one won't be too drastic of a transformation because it's not very dirty. Let's see. And then we got this side underneath. I'll probably hit that other side from the deck just to get that squared away. And then, so this is like a 3-story. It's got the basement crawl space area, but I have a shooter tip. We'll see how that does today. And I also have my X-Jet nozzle, which should hit everything pretty good. What's up, dude? Don't want to spray you. I don't think you'd like that. Let's see, a deck. I might just hit the deck some. Doesn't look like there's too much algae buildup on it actually, but this should be a pretty easy shot from the porch here. So pretty much wraps up my walk around. You definitely want to tape up any doorbell cams, keyholes, to help prevent SH from getting there. I always like to look at these areas to make sure they're caulked really well, because that can be bad if you get the SH down in the electrical connections. So pretty cool out here in North Carolina today, so we'll still be watering the plants, but everything should be okay. All right, get to it.